everyone! Welcome back to English Explained. I'm Emma, and today's topic is something everyone loves food.
And I'm Jack. You know, Emma, food isn't just something we eat. It's something we feel. It connects people, creates memories, and honestly, makes life more delicious.
Exactly. And when people learn English, they often start with simple things like, what's your name or where are you from? But when it comes to talking about food, many learners suddenly freeze.
Oh yes, someone asks, what's your favorite food? And your brain just goes blank. You know what you love, but can't find the right English words to say it.
Well, today we'll fix that. By the end of this video, you'll know how to talk naturally about your favorite food in English, just like native speakers do. We'll also share some fun stories, useful phrases, and easy vocabulary you can use anywhere, at home, with friends, or while traveling.
Sounds great. So, let's start simple. Emma, what's your favorite food?
That's tough. But if I had to choose, I'd say sushi. It's fresh, colorful, and feels so light. Every bite is like a tiny piece of art.
Nice. For me, it's definitely pizza. Warm, cheesy, straight from the oven. One slice and my mood instantly improves.
I knew it. You mention pizza almost every week.
Guilty as charged. But see, this is a great example. You can say, my favorite food is pizza because it's cheesy and comforting. Or, I love sushi because it's light and healthy.
Perfect. When you talk about your favorite food, always explain why you like it. The why makes your answer interesting and more natural. Let's practice together. Repeat after us. I love pasta because it reminds me of home. I like spicy noodles because they wake me up.
Great job! You can use adjectives like sweet, spicy, salty, crispy, or creamy to describe your food. For example, I love ice cream because it's sweet and creamy. I enjoy fried chicken because it's crispy on the outside and juicy inside.
Also, don't forget to smile when you talk about food. It really changes your tone. You'll sound warmer and more natural in English.
True. English isn't only about grammar, it's about emotion. When you talk with feeling, your words come alive.
Food is one of the best topics for small talk. If you meet someone new, you can ask, what kind of food do you like? Do you like spicy food? What's your favorite restaurant?
Everyone loves to talk about what they eat, so it's an easy way to start a friendly chat.
Let's show a short example.
What's your favorite food?
I really like pasta. What about you?
I love sushi. It's light and tasty.
See? Simple, natural, and friendly.
And if you want to make your answer sound even better, add a small memory. Like, I love pizza because my dad used to make it every weekend.
That's beautiful. Adding a personal story makes your English more emotional and memorable.
But Emma, what if someone asks about food you don't like? How do you answer politely?
Great question. Instead of saying, I hate it, you can use softer, polite expressions like, I'm not a big fan of, it's not really my thing. I don't usually eat.
Let's give examples. I'm not a big fan of spicy food. It's not really my thing. I don't usually eat fast food.
Perfect. These phrases make your English sound kind and natural, not rude.
You know what I love about food? It's not just about taste. It's also about smell, texture, even sound.
Yes, for example, the soup smells amazing. The bread feels soft and warm. The noodles taste rich and spicy.
Those are sensory words. They help your listener imagine what the food is like. That's how you make your English sound real and vivid.
All right, let's imagine you're at a restaurant. The waiter says, are you ready to order? How do you respond?
Easy. You can say, yes, I'd like the grilled chicken, please. Can I have the pasta, please? I'll take the salad, please.
Exactly. And if you want something special, try. Can I have it without onions? Could you make it less spicy, please?
Let's show a mini role play.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
Would you like any sides with that?
Yes, mashed potatoes, please.
Anything to drink?
Just water, thank you.
Great, your order will be ready soon. See? Easy and polite. Using please, thank you, and a smile goes a long way.
And if your food isn't quite right, you can politely say, "Excuse me, this is a bit too salty for me. Could I have it a little warmer, please?"
Remember, kindness makes every conversation smoother, even when you're asking for changes.
You know, food is emotional too. Some dishes just feel like a warm hug. My comfort food is chicken soup. It reminds me of home and rainy days.
Aw, that's sweet. For me, it's fried rice with egg. Simple but peaceful. It tastes like calm after a busy day.
Everyone has that one comfort food, the one that feels like love.
Let's teach our viewers how to share memories like that in English. I love pancakes because my dad used to make them on Sundays. Spaghetti reminds me of my trip to Italy. Hot chocolate makes me feel like a child again.
Beautiful. Every food has a story, and stories make your English unforgettable.
Let's learn some natural words to describe food. Ready?
Savory, rich in flavor, not sweet. Example, I love savory snacks like fries. Tender, soft and easy to chew. Example, the meat is tender and juicy. Crunchy, makes a crisp sound. Example, these cookies are crunchy. Flavorful, full of taste. Example, this soup is flavorful and rich. Spicy, hot and full of flavor. Example, Indian curry is spicy, fresh, recently made or natural. Example, the salad tastes fresh, rich, heavy and deep in flavor. Example, the chocolate cake is rich.
Let's do a mini practice. Repeat after us.
Great, you're sounding more fluent already.
Now let's have some fun with idioms. Expressions about food.
My favorite one is piece of cake. It means something is very easy. Example, that English test was a piece of cake.
I love spill the beans. It means to tell a secret. Example, come on, spill the beans. What happened?
Another is cool as a cucumber. It means calm and relaxed. Example, Emma stayed cool as a cucumber during the live stream.
Nice. There's also the big cheese. It means an important person. Example, he's the big cheese of the company.
And one more, have a lot on your plate. It means you're busy. Example, I can't hang out tonight. I have a lot on my plate.
Let's repeat for everyone. Piece of cake, spill the beans, cool as a cucumber, big cheese. Have a lot on your plate.
Fantastic. You can now use idioms naturally in daily life.
When you travel, you'll notice food culture everywhere. In Japan, people say itadakimasu before eating. It means thank you for the meal. In Italy, meals are long and full of laughter.
That's what makes food special. It connects people beyond language.
Exactly. And English helps you share those connections with the world.
If you're eating with others, try these friendly expressions. Everything looks delicious. Thank you. This is wonderful. I'm full. Thank you. It was really good.
Politeness and warmth are the real ingredients of good communication. Let's wrap up with a few more words learners often hear. Delicious. Very tasty. This cake is delicious. Yummy, informal. Same meaning. These cookies are yummy. Appetizing. Looks or smells good. That soup looks appetizing. Bland without much flavor. The rice tastes bland. Greasy, too oily. Fast food can be greasy. Healthy, good for your body. Salad is a healthy choice. Guilty pleasure. Something you love but feel a bit bad about. Chocolate is my guilty pleasure.
Let's say them together one more time. Delicious, yummy, appetizing, bland, greasy, healthy, guilty pleasure.
Great job. You're now ready to talk about food like a confident English speaker.
Now it's your turn. In the comments, write one sentence using what you learned today. For example, my favorite food is pasta because it's rich and flavorful. Or, I'm not a big fan of spicy food. It's not really my thing.
We'll read some of your answers in the next episode. And remember, every time you comment, you're practicing English.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who loves English and food as much as you do.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep your English delicious.
Until next time, this is Jack.
And I'm Emma. Thanks for watching English Explained. See you soon.